Model questions for exit exam, Natural Resource Management, Part 2. 41. Arrange the following terms from more general to less general. A. Land suitability classes, subclasses, units, and orders. B. Land suitability subclasses, units, orders, and classes. C. Land suitability orders, classes, subclasses, and units. D. Land suitability classes, orders, units, and subclasses. Answer: C. Land suitability orders, classes, subclasses, and units. 42. Assume you are going to harvest runoff on the surface of the earth. Which of the following techniques not to be employed for reducing effects of evapotranspiration? A. Increasing depth of water harvesting place. B. Using geomembrane on the bases of water harvesting place. C. Clear trees around water harvesting place. D. Constructing shade. Answer: C. Clear trees around water harvesting place. 43. Birds, bacteria, and humans are a good example of factors of A. Environment. B. Abiotic. C. Biotic. D. Ecology. Answer: C. Biotic. 44. The important methods used in land use planning are taken from all excluding A. Natural sciences. B. Social sciences. C. Technology. D. Artificial intelligence. Answer: D. Artificial intelligence. 45. Which countries most account for cause of climate change? A. 2 less industrialized countries. B. Developing countries. C. Developed countries. D. African countries. Answer: C. Developed countries. 46. The consumption energy takes place at home for performing home activities refers to A. Industrial uses of energy. B. Transportation uses of energy. C. Residential uses of energy. D. Commercial uses of energy. Answer: C. Residential uses of energy. 47. Find the wrong statement about steps of mixed scanning policy model preparation. A. Examine alternatives leads to rejects those not useful. B. Identifying all relevant alternatives comes after setting objectives. C. Setting objectives comes before problem identification. D. Implementing followed by monitoring. Answer: C. Setting objectives comes before problem identification. 48. Symbiotic association of fungi with vascular plants usually lives in A. Shoot of the plant. B. Grain of the plant. C. Leaves of the plant. D. Roots of the plant. Answer, D. Roots of the plant. Which of the following does not describe the concept of sustainable forest management? A. It should follow mathematically based computer model. B. All types of forests should develop for the benefit of present and future generations. C. Its management should follow according to the principles of sustainable development. D. All types of forests should keep the balance between ecological, economic, and socio-cultural. Answer, A. It should follow mathematically based computer model. 50. Which one of the following correctly describe concepts of energy types? A. Kinetic energy is stored energy and the energy of position. B. The characteristics of kinetic energy and potential energy are the same. C. Potential energy is energy in motion. D. Sound energy is an example of kinetic energy. Answer, D. Sound energy is an example of kinetic energy. 51. Among the following one is not the major cause of soil fertility depletion? A. Mulching. B. Soil erosion. C. Complete removal of crop residue. D. Improper cropping system. Answer, A. Mulching. 52. Which one of the following could not be goal of biological diversity conservation? A. The conservation of biological diversity. B. Converting natural land use to other land use. C. The sustainable use of biological diversity components. D. The fair and equitable sharing of the benefits from biological diversity. Answer, B. Converting natural land use to other land use. 53. Why Ethiopia is mainly vulnerable to climate change and variability? A. High health service coverage. B. Moderate population growth rate. C. High dependence on rain-fed agriculture. D. High potential of water resources. Answer, C. High dependence on rain-fed agriculture. 54. Which one is umbrella term for sustainable natural resources management strategy? A. Policy. B. Program. C. Plan. D. Rule. Answer, A. Policy. 55. Which one of the following processes describes evaporation and transpirations occurs simultaneously in watershed? A. Evapotranspiration. B. Evaporation. C. Precipitation. D. Transpiration. Answer, A. Evapotranspiration. 56. Conservations of species in their natural habitat is refers to A. Zoos. B. In situ conservation. C. Seed bank. D. Ex situ conservation. Answer, B. In situ conservation. 57. Land encompassing all of the following attributes except A. Water. B. Atmosphere. C. Vegetation. D. Soil. Answer, B. Atmosphere. 58. Which of the following not included agroforestry practices? A. Boundary planting. B. Mechanized farming. C. Fodder production. C. Multipurpose woodland. Answer, B. Mechanized farming. 59. Which of the following does not describe the need of establishment of tree nursery? A. The need of seedling in large number to reduce the rapid loss of forest. B. To prevent illegal deforestation. C. Inapplicability of direct sowing of seeds for all tree species. D. Enables foresters to produce healthy and vigorous plants. Answer, B. To prevent illegal deforestation. 60. Crops intercropping with legumes are important for integrated fertility management practice. This is because it can solve the problem of nutrient of A. Phosphorus. B. Iron. C. Sodium. D. Nitrogen. Answer, D. Nitrogen. 61. Which one of the following definitions describes the term vulnerability to climate change? A. The degree to which a system susceptible to adverse effect of climate change. B. The degree to which a system will be responsive to climate stimuli. C. The ability of a system or community to adjust actual or expected climate change. D. Anthropogenic interventions that can reduce the cause of climate change. Answer, A. The degree to which a system susceptible to adverse effect of climate change. 62. Which one of the following indicates the physical branches of limnology? A. Plant species. B. Sedimentation. C. Ions. D. Dissolved gas. Answer, B. Sedimentation. 63. Which one of the following is an area that functions as a seed production area that guarantees total supply quality of seed? It can be obtained through selection from existing forest or established. A. Seed production. B. Breeding. C. Seed source. D. Seed propagation. Answer, C. Seed source. 64. Which one of the following approaches used to determine whether or not a proposal should subject to environmental impact assessment if that type of proposal initially listed in regulation? A. Standardized approaches. B. Prescriptive approaches. C. Both standardized and prescriptive approaches. D. Discretionary approaches. Answer, B. Prescriptive approaches. 65. In Ethiopia, the forest of highland dominated by Juniperus persera, Podocarpus gracile, and Olea europea is known as A. The dry montane forest. B. Deciduous forest. C. Lowland evergreen forest. D. The semi-arid forest. Answer, A. The dry montane forest. 66. Which one of the following is an example of in situ water harvesting storage method? A. Cheek dam. B. Pond. C. Reservoir. D. Mulching. Answer, A. Cheek dam. 67. A species likely to become endangered if it is not protected is recognized as A. Survived. B. Extinct. C. Endangered. D. Threatened. Answer, D. Threatened. 68. Sediment transported material that moves along the bottom of the channel near the bed is recognized as A. Wash load. B. Flowing load. C. Suspended load. D. Bed load. Answer, D. Bed load. 69. Who has right to make last decision on the outcome of the review report of environmental impact assessment? A. Designated authority. B. Proposal developer. C. Internal reviewer. D. External reviewer. Answer, A. Designated authority. 70. Which of the following does not influence seed collection methods? A. Climate and weather condition during collection. B. Accessibility and terrain. C. Moisture content of seed. D. Efficiency and labor cost. Answer, C. Moisture content of seed. 71. What should be done at mitigation measure stage of environmental impact assessment method? A. Reject proposal. B. Report impact. C. Minimize predicted adverse impact. D. Accept adverse impact. Answer, C. Minimize predicted adverse impact. 72. Identify the incorrect statements from the given alternatives. A. Denser canopy and thicker the litter cover, the greater is the splash erosion control. B. Plant canopy influences the interceptions of rains. C. Dense and short grass is less effective in reducing erosion than sparse and tall vegetation. D. Plant morphology such as height of plant and canopy structure influence the effectiveness of vegetation cover. Answer, C. Dense and short grass is less effective in reducing erosion than sparse and tall vegetation. 73. Which type of policy states that land is not subjected to exchange or sell? A. Distributive policy. B. Symbolic policy. C. Redistributive policy. D. Regulatory policy. Answer: D. Regulatory policy. 74. In Ethiopia, terraces have been mostly implemented in the form of level ditches where the soil is thrown uphill to form embankments. Such a practice expressed as A. Bench terraces. B. Fanyujo terraces. C. Retention terraces. D. Diversion terraces. Answer: B. Fanyujo terraces. 75. The major yield decreasing effects at the tree crop interface arise from competition for all except A. Water. B. Aeration. C. Nutrients. D. Light. Answer: B. Aeration. 76. All of the following expressions describes the impacts of invasive species except A. Loss of forest productivity. B. Support biodiversity conservation. C. Loss of agricultural productivity. D. Loss of recreational opportunity. Answer: B. Support biodiversity conservation. 77. All of the following gases are greenhouse gas except A. CO2. B. CH4. C. N2O. D. O2. Answer: D. O2. 78. Currently, some of the major hazard to wildlife management include all except A. Genetic diversity. B. Climate change. C. Culling. D. Deforestation. Answer: A. Genetic diversity. 79. Carbon storage and nutrient cycle are a good example of forest. A. Economical function. B. Biological function. C. Environmental function. D. Ecological function. Answer: D. Ecological function. 80. Implementations of watershed management can be evaluated with all of the following except A. Growth of population size. B. Ample job opportunities for local people. C. Improvement of water quality. D. Reduced of sedimentation. Answer: A. Growth of population size. 81. Identify incorrect statements about windbreak and shelter as in agroforestry practices. A. Trees are planted in lines across the directions of damaging winds. B. Trees are planted to reduce wind erosion and wind or forest damage to crops. C. Tree plants can provide shelter for animal. D. Windbreaks are wider than shelter belts. Answer, D. Windbreaks are wider than shelter belts. 82. Which one of the following describes responsible travel to natural area that conserves the environment and improves the well-being of local people? A. Protected area. B. Tourism. C. Game reserve. D. Ecotourism. Answer, D. Ecotourism. 83. Among the following alternative, which one is not pillar of sustainable forest management? A. Environment. B. Economy. C. Social. D. None. Answer, D. None. 84. One of the following is a process of an accounting of trees and their related characteristics of interest over a well-defined land area? A. Forest management. B. Forest mensuration. C. Forest conservation. D. Forest inventory. Answer, D. Forest inventory. 85. Among the following, which one is the damage of fire on soil? A. Forest fire increase organic matter and nitrogen reserve. B. Forest fire makes the soil more compact and impervious. C. Fire bears the forest soil to eroding agents like sun, wind, and rain. D. All except A. Answer, D. All except A. 86. Which of the following is true statement about invasive species? A. It is species that encouraging ecosystems, habitats, and or other species. B. It is species that has established and spread outside of its natural distribution range. C. It is species that has minimum causing economic and or environmental damage. D. None. Answer, B. It is species that has established and spread outside of its natural distribution range. 87. Among the following alternative, which information is necessary for effective forest pest management? A. Knowing their biology. B. Knowing their ecology. C. Knowing their distribution. D. All. Answer, D. All. 88. Which of the following is true statement about need to establish nursery site? A. Newly germinated seedling of most tree species could survive in competition with other plants. B. Forest planting site receives a minimum of soil preparation, fertilizing and maintenance. C. Forest planting site receives a maximum of soil preparation, fertilizing and maintenance. D. For production of low-quality seedling. Answer, C. Forest planting site receives a maximum of soil preparation, fertilizing and maintenance. 89. From the following alternatives, Which one is correct statement about permanent nurseries? A. Quality of seed produced in permanent nursery is low. B. They are also called satellite nursery. C. Number of seed produced is maximum. D. They give service for short period of time. Answer, C. Number of seed produced is maximum. 90. Among the following, which one is not part of pre-collecting planning of seed? A. Determining seed quantity. B. Determining the species. C. Determining the provenance. D. Determining extraction method. Answer, D. Determining extraction method. 91. During soil potting mixtures, if you trouble to keep soil in the polythene or plastic, what types of soil could you add to retain your soil in the polythene? A. Gravel soil. B. Clay soil. C. Manure or compost. D. Sandy soil. Answer, B. Clay soil. 92. In the process of species choice for plantation, native tree species are more preferred than exotic. This is because A. Native species are often better adapted to local environmental conditions. B. Native seeds may be more generally available. C. Farmers are usually familiar with native species and their uses. D. All except B. Answer, D. All except B. 93. Choose the wrong statement about characteristics of multipurpose trees suitable for agroforestry. A. Easy to propagate and prolific seed producer. B. High crown diameter to bole diameter ratio. C. Deep root system and few shallow lateral roots. D. Legume trees. Answer, B. High crown diameter to bole diameter ratio. 94. Biophysical behavior of trees which anyone cannot deny and reveal themselves under human management is known as A. Pathogen. B. Ascribed attributes. C. Intrinsic attributes. D. Damping off. Answer, C. Intrinsic attributes. 95. The types of interactions between two species where one species is adversely affected and the second species remain neither benefited nor negatively affected is A. Communalistic. Synergetic. C. Amensalistic. D. Inhibitory. Answer, C. Amensalistic. 96. Which one is not true about point sources water pollution? A. It comes directly from a known source. B. It is a contaminant that enters a waterway from a single, identifiable source. C. It can trace back to a specific source. D. It comes directly from an unknown source. Answer, D. It comes directly from an unknown source. 97. Which one is a short-term runoff harvesting technique? A. Water harvesting pond. B. Irrigation dam. C. Semicircular hoop. D. Farm pond. Answer, C. Semicircular hoop. 98. Which one is not among the causes of land degradation? A. Land use mismanagement. B. Afforestation. C. Population pressure. D. Overgrazing. Answer, B. Afforestation. 99. Which one is adopted in low rainfall areas with permeable soils? A. Level bench terraces. B. Inward sloping bench terraces. C. Individual basins. D. Outward sloping bench terraces. Answer, D. Outward sloping bench terraces. 100. Nursery can be classified into permanent and temporary based on its size, duration, and capital investment required. Choose the correct statement about the two types of nurseries. A. Permanent nurseries require low capital investment, low transportation cost, and they are affordable to establish. B. The disadvantage of temporary nurseries is its highest cost per plant, because clearing and fencing of sites is only for few years' services. C. Establishment cost of temporary nurseries is high. D. Permanent nurseries are called satellite or flying nurseries. Answer, B. The disadvantage of temporary nurseries is its highest cost per plant, because clearing and fencing of sites is only for few years' services. 101. One of the following statements is wrong regards to nursery hedge fencing. A. It gives good protection against animals and winds. B. A good hedge species should be fast-growing and long-lived. C. Hedge fencing is cheap to establish. D. Hedge species should have characteristics of harboring insects and diseases. Answer, D. Hedge species should have characteristics of harboring insects and diseases. 102. Which of the following alternative can be a reason for the failure of seedling germination in nursery? A. Proper seed storage. B. Optimum soil moisture and temperature. C. Watering frequency. D. Vigorous seed. Answer, C. Watering frequency. 103. Which of following is not an equipment used in tree nursery? A. Shovel. B. Pruning saw. C. Guitar. D. Watering cans. Answer, C. Guitar. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and share for your friends. See you next time.